Wars are changing faster than most people realize. Not because weapons became bigger, but because they became smaller. A tiny drone can now threat a billion-dollar military system. And that changes the balance of power. For decades, military dominance meant tanks, warships, and fighter jets. The stronger nation usually had the bigger and more expensive machines. But drones changed the rules completely. Because drones are cheap, small, and easy to reproduce. That's what makes them dangerous. You can destroy one drone, but another one keeps coming. And another, and another. Modern defense systems were designed to detect large threats. Missiles, aircraft, and massive radar signatures were easier to track, but drones move differently. They fly low, move quietly, and disappear into cities. Sometimes they look like birds or simple noise inside a radar system, and suddenly the battlefield becomes difficult to understand. But the real change has already begun. Drones are becoming autonomous systems. They can see obstacles, track targets, and make decisions without direct human control. This is no longer just remote control technology. This is physical AI entering the real world. AI is no longer limited to screens and conversations. It is beginning to move through reality. And once machines begin moving, reality, everything starts to change. War changes. Industry changes. Power changes. Because the future may not belong to the biggest systems anymore. It may belong to the fastest, cheapest, and most scalable ones. That's why drones are so difficult to stop. They are not just machines. They are the beginning of autonomous systems in the physical world. AI is no longer just thinking. AI is starting to move reality,